Hello everybody, my name is Danielle and in today's video we are going to be looking at net present value utilising Excel. Now net present value of a proposed investment is calculated by discounting future cash flows to present value and summing or netting them together. You may be asked to do this in an assignment when a question may ask you what the venture or cash flow is compared to if you put that amount of money in the bank. And today we are going to be looking at how we can utilise Excel. First, we need to set up a basic Excel table. We have a title, we have the discount rate or interest rate, noting the number of decimals is actually very important here. So if, for example, I pop in 9.5%, if I do not have any decimal places showing, Excel will automatically round that up to 10%. And I've seen numerous students get into trouble with this one. So please make sure that you have at least 2 decimal places showing. Then we have period or year, cash flow, present value. And in today's video, I'm going to take you through how to complete it using manual NPV or the Excel NPV function. So to begin with, we are going to add in our discount rate. I have added in 9.5%. Then we are going to add in our periods. For the purposes of this, we're going to go to say 10-year period. Then we have cash flow. So the initial cash flow will be negative because you are outputting the money. For those accounting students out there, this will be shown in brackets. Everybody else can just pop a negative in front. Then we have the cash flow per year. This does not have to be the same, or it can be. Then we might have a big jump. As you can see, it can be completely different every single year. We have a discount rate, a period, a cash flow. Now we are going to calculate the present value. Now, present value is future value over, in brackets, 1 plus rate of return, in brackets, to the power of years. So if we pop that into Excel, that will be cash flow for the year divided by 1 plus the discount rate. Now, because the discount rate does not change, it's very important that you pop those dollar signs in there just to stop it from moving. And then it needs to be to the power of what year you are in. As you can see, the present value of minus $5,000 is minus $5,000. This is a good check. If this here at time point 0 does not match your initial cash flow, you have an error in your formula. You can then drag this formula down for your 10-year period. Once we have the present value, we can now do the manual NPV, which is the sum of all present values. We have approximately $50,000. A great way to do both manual and NPV is to make sure that they match as well. So for the NPV function, we start off with cash flow at point 0, which is our $5,000 investment. And then we are going to add that to the NPV function in Excel. Oops, I have capitals on, so we'll just do that again. NPV function in Excel. Then we have the discount rate, 9.5%. And then we have cash flow from years 1 to the end of your period. In this instance, it's from year 1 to year 10. So we drag that down from cell C6 to C15, close the bracket, and as you can see, they're both the same, which means that we have correctly calculated, NPV both manually and using the Excel function. I hope this has been helpful for you. Please let me know if you'd like to see any other videos in the comments.